Today we're going to upcycle this cement sack and sew it into a street-style shoulder bag. The fold-over flap can be used on both sides, giving you added styling options, or you can carry it unfolded for extra storage space. We will start by giving it a wipe down and check to see if the ink bleeds, because mine does. So I use this bag when I wear dark clothing only. In this tutorial, we will sew the components on the sack first, and then we will create the bottom and sew up the sides. And once you flip the bag over, you can just use it because the bag is completed. So there's a download option on my Ko-fi store with all the notes on where everything is. So you can check it out if you want to. So we're gonna cut the top and bottom of the sack because the material on these two areas are fused together and they're rather hard and may break your needle. So I'm gonna show you the layout of the bag. So this part will be side 1 of the bag. This is side 2, and this area here will be the bottom. The folded edge on top will be the bag's opening. Okay, now let's go on to the components. You will need some webbing, should match the size of your quick release buckle. And these two are to hold the buckles for the strap. I'm using this pair of carabiners as the buckle. You can also use a pair of D-rings. This elastic band will keep the bag's opening from gaping, and a small piece of felt fabric for backing. Divide the bag's opening into 4 equal segments. We will use these points as guides to sew on the components. We will start with the female side of the buckle. We need about 8 centimeters. Thread it into the buckle and sew the ends together. So open the seams and move them to the back. The position is 2.5 centimeters below point A. So this is just 2 parallel lines. This is the webbing for the carabiners. I've already sewed the ends together and flipped it over so the seams are on the inside. Over here I sewed the webbing on the sides instead of the top and bottom. I lined it differently, and you see that the webbing is squished when I use it. So please align it with the holes facing the sides, and then you sew on the top and the bottom of the webbing. The position is 15 centimeters down side 1 and move it 2 centimeters from the sides. The second webbing, we will measure from point B and move it inwards 2 centimeters. This 2 centimeters will give it room for the sewing foot to pass through when we sew the sides. If you're using a D-ring, it should be inserted into the webbing first. And there's no need to flip it, you just move the seams to the center. Buckle, female buckle done. Just move on to this side from the center. You see? Right, so this is 22 centimeters, so I'm going to fold it in half. here, right in the middle. Just so that you can get this part on first. We're gonna sew this behind. This is 2.5. This is 1/4 of the satin. Anyway, now we fold it. So we clip this to top one. So this side is the one on the fold, snipped off the so you get 2 from here and 2 from here. Okay. I'm gonna use this. That's the other fold. Both the sides. Go over this where the 2 centimeters.